Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. I've got with me today another unboxing, and it is of a watch. Obviously I've took this off to take the personal stuff off it quickly, but I've not opened the best bit. This is a brand new Steel Gshock, the GST-B400D-1AER. I had to get this model because the Gshock G Steel range is some of my favourite watches in the world in terms of for value. You get your standard warranty card, that's the module that it is. But I had to get this one because it has the all steel bracelet, and they've upgraded it from the one that I normally, well, the one that I normally use. Wow. Now, with this actual model, to be fair, that feels it's got a bit of weight to it. I like it. Wow. Now, can you see they've purposely gone for style by making it difficult to see. They've gone for like a stealth look. So I already knew that when I bought the watch. I already knew that it wasn't going to be super legible. Now look. Can you see how legible that is compared to it? This is the GST-B400D-1AER, which is a multiband and which is bigger. This is both thicker and bigger than this. This is a slimline version. Now, and this one has Bluetooth. Let me just get this wrapping off dead quick. Can't get the bloody wrapping off. Wow, that's quite a bit smaller. That is quite a bit smaller. That feels really good. Right, finally took it off. Right. Now with this model, this is only 12.9mm thick nominal. It is solid stainless steel, the bracelet. Obviously the clasp just uses this pressed metal, but do you know what? How long have I had this one? Just the same as this one really, for the clasp. This one I've had about 2.5 years, 3 years, and it's been absolutely fine. Beautiful motion, works great. Now this one does not have solid links, but the upgraded one does have completely solid links, but they're nice and thin, and it has a special type of push pin system that I might show you, I believe. Now the legibility of this dial is obviously poor, but they've done that for effect, and I already knew that before I bought it. But this has all the G-Shock functionality, 200 meter water resist, standard, your standard modes that you come with all these modules, alarm, stopwatch, all that stuff. And it also has the Bluetooth. Now, the Bluetooth benefit would be is, no matter where you are in the world, if you connect it up to your phone, once a week or keep it constantly on, you can have perfect timekeeping. It doesn't have multiband though, but there's only 6 countries in the world, or 7, that has it. So I can understand why they've put this in, but just feeling that feels small. It feels really small. That is a lot of people will love this size, because people complained that this one, and the crazy thing is, right, the crazy thing is that the one on the right, sorry, the one on my right is considered a medium G-Shock, and the one on my left is considered small, even though that will be about 50mm. But this one is even bigger, and it has a bigger lug to lug, and it's thicker. It's about 15.5mm thick. This is only just under 13mm thick, and this feels fantastic. I can tell you that straight up now. You will have and I've got all the links on. You will have absolutely no problem wearing this all day long. It is super, super. I can't believe actually how comfortable this watch is. This is easily, I can tell now just by wearing it quickly. This is easily the comfiest all stainless steel G-Shock I've ever worn. Now then, the issue is that this colour is not going to be for everyone in terms of the super stealthy look with the dial. And I agree, it's not just for me either. I will have this and keep it in the rotation, but I also want one that has this kind of look that is more legible. So there's other colours, and you can get one, an absolutely stunning one in green. But the problem with green is, maybe I'll put links down below to the other colours. The problem with green is, even though it's fantastic, it doesn't go with every single, you know, outfit that you wear if you're bothered about that type of thing. So they've made a black and crimson one, like a black and red one, which again doesn't go with everything. But they've made one, okay, that is released for the Japanese market. That is, let me just double check which one it is now. It's the GST-B400. I think it's that one, yeah, XD. Just double check. Right, it's the one I'm referring to that I think that looks the best by a mile and is the most legible is the GST-B400 XD-1A2JF for Japanese market. That one is super, super legible, okay? This one, obviously, is not. This is a stealthy look, which might not be for everyone, but I still really like it. But the feel of this on the wrist is just insane. For a G-Shock, I've never felt a G-Shock feel so good, ever. You know, that it's super, it feels, when I picked it up, first it felt weighty, but now the sizing is beautiful. This is the perfect size for a lot of people. It's almost borderline too small. Now, with this model, right, after 8 or 9 hours, it does become a little bit bulky, which, you know, I can still wear it all day because I've got big wrists, but this is going to be the one. So I'm going to pick up the other colour variants of this because this is what I like. Because this size is fantastic, but it's almost borderline too small. But a lot more people will definitely enjoy this. A lot of people only have 6.5-inch wrists, 6-inch wrists. Obviously I don't. So I really look forward to using this watch now. Hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing. You know, maybe they will come out with one that has the white indices that's super legible like that. Maybe they will. I don't know. Because this works. This module and this design, it's fantastic. It is a brilliant, brilliant size. I can tell you that straight up now, and I've just unboxed it. So thanks for checking my channel out. Thanks for checking this unboxing out. The review will be coming shortly. It's been Dave. Have a great evening. Nice one.